global warming, but really the frequency is raising and the energy is essentially bringing on this grand awakening, because when they diluted our genetics by way of microchimerism, they essentially were putting our cells to sleep. Now, in today's world, they call that junk DNA, and that is what's currently activating. So they weren't necessarily the whole idea behind integration, which lines up with Sister saying that they discovered this in the 70s, or they released it in the 70s, is because they realized that they had to do something to slow down this awakening. Now, with that being said, the point of where we are today with it is that even when you look at the integrated children, or the amalgamated peoples of the land by way of this science, they are even waking up to the truths that are embedded in their ancestral DNA, their ancestral history. I know plenty of biracial children who don't fuck with their white side because they know the science that they inherently live by. These people, by way of the 100 monkey theory, it doesn't just work with racism and slavery. It works by way of your ancestral history, your generational trauma that is passed down through your genetics and through your psychology. They don't even realize that they are upholding a narcissistic spell of a patriarchy that is fighting itself to stay alive, and it has to do so by embedding every bit of itself into the cells of women, but more specifically black people.